Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. And in today's tutorial video, we'll be looking at SQL view. What is view? A view is a virtual table that is based on a SQL query. Unlike the normal table that you create in SQL, a view is that table that doesn't store data but gets its data from other tables, which could be one or more table. Imagine you have a bookshelf. Just think of view as that shortcut to a specific shelf where you can get only the books that you need. That is what view is. So let's look at a practical example on how to create a view here. Let's say I want to create a view with the name high value orders. I want to filter out records of orders where the total amount is greater than 1,000. So I'll come here and say create view, the name high value orders. High value orders like this, as then I would say select. Like I said, you get the data from other tables. So select, I want the order ID. I also want the order date, as well as the product. Then I want the amount, total amount. Where is this coming from? It's coming from the orders table. Filtering out data I want where the total amount is greater than 1,000. So I have this now. I'm done. All I have to do is to run this. So I have this now. Then I'll run its total amount. So I'll run this F5. As you can see, commands completed successfully. How do I see data in this view? I'll come here and say select all from high value orders. And this will return all the records of orders that are greater than the amount 1,000. So you can see we have all the products, which is just for the laptop product alone. These are the high value orders in this case. And how do I get to see my view? When you come here to your left hand side, come here to where you have the database for LDA, click on this plus sign. And how do I get my view? You can see we have views. Click on this plus sign, then you see we've created a view here, dbo.highvalueorders. So you can also combine two tables together. So let's assume where we have our select orders from orders. We also have a table that is select, let's see, all from customers. So let's assume I want to, let me run this both F5. As you can see, I want to return customers as well as their name, then the age of this customer that purchased the goods. Then I have to combine these two tables as well to form the high value orders. I also want to add their names to it. So how do I'll come here. So it means you can also alter a view. If I want to alter this view, I'll come here and say alter view. Then what's the view I want to? High value order. Okay, so what do you want to do with the view? I would say alter view high value order, then select what? The order ID. Then I want the order date, I also want the product. Then I want total amount. And where is this coming from? So let's put a comma here, comma. So where is this coming from? It's coming from the orders table, from orders, right? Orders table. And let's not forget, we also want to draw out the name of the customer as well as their age. So I'll come here and put customer name, comma. Then I also want their age, customer age. So it means you have to be joining these two tables together, age, comma, then maybe their gender, customer, or let's do country instead. So country. Then from orders, don't forget, then we are joining both, so I'll say left join what? Customers. Then you specify on what? On, we have customer ID there on the order table. So customer, that's orders dot customer ID equals the customers dot customer ID. So good, I'm okay with this. Then let's see. Now you have to input the as, don't forget that, as. So we have this now. Let's run. F5. Okay, good. Now why we are having this error is because of this s. We didn't add the s to it. So let's type in our s, and now let's run this. Don't forget add. Run from here. F5. I'll come here. Let's select all and see. F5. And as you can see, this has joined the table for the orders and the customer together. So this is how you create views. Can you update a view? Can you insert value into it? Yes, but for you to do that, be sure that number one, it does not contain aggregate result. That is, you've not used the sum or the average function to aggregate a result there. Or number two, that doesn't contain distinct, or you've not done any joins. That is when you cannot update or insert values into a view. So I hope you've been able to pick one or two from this video. Meet again in our next video. Bye.